Did you know you could control your Insta360 One RS via your Apple Watch? You didn't. I bet you didn't. And if you did, hats off to you. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to control it and what options you can change via your Apple smartwatch. When you download an app onto your iPhone, usually if there's an app available for the Apple Watch, it automatically downloads on there, which it does with the Insta360 app. So let's go to the watch, and on the Apple Watch, you've got the Insta360 app, which is really intuitive actually, and it's quite interesting that you can change a few of the settings from here. So from here you can actually change the settings. You can scroll to change the photo settings. We can scroll left or right to change it to video mode, and then we can go through the different video modes as well. So we can change it to time lapse, we control it from here, we can change it to HDR video. Let's just keep it on standard video, and then we can also change the frame rate and resolution here. So cool little boxes that we can scroll up and down. You can change it to 3K bullet time if you want to. Let's keep it on 5K, 5.7K 30. Press OK, and then we just simply press record on the Apple Watch, and it starts recording on the Insta360 One RS. The range, I believe, is around 10 meters, 33 feet, so there's decent range on it as well. So it just depends on the conditions and what sort of Apple Watch you're using. But it works, and you can control it as a remote shutter from your watch. So when you start recording, it does actually start pretty fast, but when there is a bit of a delay when you're stopping the recording, so just bear that in mind. You can just stop it on the camera once you've finished recording whatever you want to do. On the app itself, on your watch, it does tell you your storage, how much storage you've got left. I've got 49.1 gigabytes left, and your battery percentage of the camera as well. So it gives you a bunch of information. You can still see the time on there, and you can still see it's got their capture, and then obviously, like I've showed you, you can scroll around the different settings. So that's a really useful feature for certain situations. If you want to control your Insta360 One RS or Insta360 camera from your Apple Watch, you can do, and that's how to do it, and it works really well. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you check out my other Insta360 videos in the playlist linked down there below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We've got plenty of not only Insta360 videos coming soon, but lots of other great tech videos. So stay tuned. But that's it for this one. I'll see you on the next one.